welcome to today's tip. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect splat today. I've got some acrylic inks here, but you can also just use like your calligraphy ink as well. And what I'm going to do is I've just got a little bit of yellow cardstock here. It's quite large and I'm going to obviously cut it down to the size that I want. I've just shaken up my acrylic ink here and I'm going to move my hand really high. There we go, look how fabulous they splat. They are perfect for making cards or for making wrapping paper for your gifts. Now the higher you go, the bigger the splat, the lower you go, obviously you get a totally different splat. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you next time.